Ever wondered how to turn your passion for creating YouTube videos into a sustainable source of income? Well, today's topic is just for you: maximizing your YouTube revenue. Buckle up as we delve into the exciting yet intricate world of YouTube earnings. First things first, it all begins with crafting exceptional content. Identifying your niche and producing engaging, original content that resonates with your audience is crucial. Consistency, authenticity, and invigorating interactions are the building blocks of a loyal subscriber base. Next, it's all about qualifying for the YouTube Partner Program. This requires reaching YouTube's threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last year. Delivering consistent, engaging content is your ticket to achieving these milestones. Once you're in the YouTube Partner Program, it's time to activate Google AdSense. Linking your channel to AdSense allows you to start earning from advertisements shown on your videos. Remember, customizing the ad formats and placements to suit your audience's preferences can significantly boost your revenue. But don't stop there. Diversifying your revenue streams can substantially enhance your earnings. Look beyond ads and explore options like channel memberships, merchandise sales, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. These diverse income sources can prove to be a game changer for your channel. Lastly, optimizing visibility and engagement is key. Strategic use of keywords, compelling titles, and eye-catching thumbnails can significantly improve your content's discoverability. Regularly engaging with your audience through comments, community posts, and live sessions can help foster a strong community and keep your subscribers coming back for more. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to maximize your YouTube revenue. Remember, persistence, authenticity, and building genuine connections with your audience are the keys to unlocking success on YouTube. Keep creating, keep engaging, and watch your channel flourish. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow creators. Feel free to share your experiences or ask any questions in the comments below. Happy creating!